A very good morning, one and all. I am Dr. Sarika Mapol from SAGE Group of Institutions, Associate Professor. Today, we are going to learn about the difference between hard work and smart work. Though we all are using these two terms simultaneously, but still there is a difference between hard work and smart work. And as we know that both are required in getting success in our future career. So this is what we discuss or we learn about that which is more important, hard work or smart work or both of them. So we learn during this presentation. So we go one by one. First of all, hard work versus smart work, working back better, not just harder. So this is the statement through which we are going to start our presentation. So first of all, we need to learn or we need to understand what is work. So now, work is the effort we put into achieving a goal. It can be physical or it can be mental. Success depends on how we approach the work, whether it is physical or it is mental. So we should know how to approach that kind of a work is known as work. So now we divide the work into two types, that is hard work and smart work. As we all know that among us, some of us are hard workers and some of us are smart workers. So success is not just about working hard, but it is about working wisely. So this wisely is what we learn through this presentation. Now, what is hard work? First of all, we need to understand what is hard work. So hard work is putting in consistent effort and time. We should focus on dedication, determination, and persistence. Persistence here means that the work which we are doing, the effort should remain the same from starting point to the ending point. So that is a hard work. It requires discipline as well as patience to do that hard work. Now see, there are certain examples of hard work: studying for long hours, practicing repeatedly any of the thing, completing tasks with full effort without taking any break. We have seen so many of physical labor, those who are doing work for long hours, more than 5 hours, 8 hours, also with the same consistency. Consistent exam preparations. So this is all the examples of hard work. So hard work is also very, very important. We cannot say that we can achieve smart work without hard work, as hard work builds strength, discipline, and determination among us. These all three qualities develops in us through our hard work only. Now, what is smart work? Now, see the pictures. They are doing the smart work by sitting like this only. They are not doing any physical work. They are not doing any kind of a hard work. So, with smart work can be done by using effective strategies to complete the task in short span of time. For example, nowadays we are doing work on computers. We have put all our data in digitalized format to make our work easier. So hard work is important, but if we do smart work, that saves our time and also our efficiency. So doing the right work in the right way is the smart work. We are doing the work with full consistency, with full persistence, but we are doing it in the right way so that it can be done more effectively and less time can be taken. So this is what we call smart work. Now see the examples of the smart work. These are certain examples using shortcuts and techniques so that we can do the same work in less period of time. For example, what nowadays AI is doing, we are using AI to make our work easier. We are using machines to make our work easier. It doesn't mean that it is replacing the people, because these all things are the enablers. We have made them to make our work easier. Another method is prioritizing important tasks. We have to make the priority list so that we can do those tasks first, which are more prioritized than the other tasks. We should use technology as well as tools. Like nowadays, we are using AI tools to make our work easier and do our work more efficiently and more smartly by consuming less time, less efforts. It helps us in doing time management, and planning before starting the task is also the example of smart working. This is the difference between hard work and smart work. This is on the slide. Hard work is time consuming, whereas smart work is time efficient. It saves your time. It focuses on effort more, hard work, whereas smart work focus on the outcome, on the results. Hard work is the traditional approach but now as we are living in the new era, globalized world or digitalization world, so we are doing smart working by applying strategic approach. Hard work requires more physical and mental energy, whereas smart work uses better techniques and tools. And nowadays, AI has come to make our work smarter and harder. Why hard work matter? It doesn't mean that if smart work is important, so hard work is not required at all in the current scenario. We need hard work today also. We need hard working employees. But why? Because it builds discipline. It develops strong determination as well as foundation. It teaches us how to be persistent in our work. So that is why hard work matters. And why smart work will matter? Because it saves our time and energy. It improves our efficiency. We can do work in a short span of time rather than doing it in more than one day. Like for example, whenever before we used to make PPT, it will take almost 2 to 3 hours. But with the help of ChatGPT and other AI tools, we can make it in a minute or in seconds, which improves our efficiency, which improves the productivity of the employees. So it doesn't mean that you are copying the things or you are just taking the help of the AI tools and you are not using your mind, because AI is just an enabler. It cannot interfere by your mind. Instructions are given by you only. If you are not doing proper prompting, so you will not get the answer properly through the AI tools. It helps achieve goals faster. We will achieve our goals faster with the help of this smart working. So it definitely matters a lot nowadays in the current scenario, as this is the fast world where we need to achieve everything in the short span of time. So we need to be smarter rather than other things. Now see, these are the real life examples. Student A studies for the whole day and he did not get the results. He did not get the good results, whereas student B studies only 5 hours with planning and focus. So who will perform better as per you? Obviously student B, because though he has taken less time, but he has learned the things with proper planning and focus. So that is the basic difference between hard work and smart work. Smart work will be done by planning with experience and with focus, and you will get the good results rather than giving much more time to that. So that is what I want to explain you, that hard work is important, but the more important is doing work smartly nowadays or in the current scenario. See the importance of balance. So the main thing which we have to do, both the things are important, smart work as well as hard work, but the main important thing is the balance between the hard work and the smart work. So we can say that hard work plus smart work is equal to success. Not only individually through hard work you get success, not only individually through smart work you get success only with the combination of both hard work and smart work. The degree varies. Hard work means effort, smart work means strategies. So when the efforts of yours combined with the strategy, the results will be best. The outcome will be awesome and you will get success in your career, in your life, in your endeavors. So how to do hard work effectively? By staying consistent, by avoiding distractions and practice regularly. And how to do work smart? Set clear goals, plan your tasks properly, make strategies, use your time wisely, and learn new methods. Only then you would be a smart worker. So now what would be the conclusion? Whether we should go through the smart working or we should go hard working. So both are essential. Hard work is important, whereas smart work is essential nowadays in the current scenario. Together, they lead to success, as we have seen in the previous slide. In today's competitive world, relying only on hard work may lead to exhaustion, whereas depending on smart work may lack consistency and depth, because consistency and depth can only come through hard work. So it means the ideal approach is a balanced combination of both. Balanced here means that the percentages of hard work and smart work should be balanced according to the scenario, according to the situation, according to the demand of the work, according to the nature of the work. So hard work ensures continuous effort, whereas smart work ensures the right direction with the right decisions at the right time. So together they help individuals achieve goals effectively, improve the productivity, and attain long-term success in personal as well as professional life. So the result of this, or the final tip of this, is that we should have a balanced approach in hard working and smart working. Only then we could be able to get the success in our life. So I hope you would be able to understand that at what time we should be hard worker and smart worker, or only smart worker or hard worker, or we should use the ideal approach. So thank you so much, and try to apply this approach in your future career. Thank you so much.